Listen to these two voices.
Once upon a time, there lived a man named Adam. Once upon a time, there lived a man named Adam.
One of these voices costs $22 a month. The other one is completely free, runs on your own computer, and nobody can take it away from you. Can you tell which is which? This is Qwen 3 TTS, an open-source text-to-speech model, and it's genuinely rivaling ElevenLabs in quality. Voice cloning supports 10 languages, emotion control, all running locally. 0 API costs. 0 character limits. In this video, I'm going to show exactly what it can do, how to install it on your machine in under 5 minutes using Pinocchio, and stick around till the end. I'll show you how to clone a voice directly from ElevenLabs and run it through this tool forever, for free. ElevenLabs is incredible. I'm not going to pretend otherwise. The voice quality is top tier, the cloning is smooth, and the API just works. But the monthly subscriptions and strict character limits can quietly drain your budget if you're producing high-volume content. Qwen 3 TTS was released in January 2026 by the Qwen team at Alibaba Cloud. It's part of the broader Qwen model family, but this one is purpose-built for speech generation. It features 0.6B and 1.7B parameter models, an Apache 2.0 license, and support for 10 languages. It gives you voice cloning from just a 3-second audio sample and recommends 4 to 8 gigabytes of VRAM. Let me walk you through the 3 main modes this thing supports. First up, preset voices. Qwen 3 TTS ships with 9 built-in voices. These aren't robotic TTS voices. Listen to the natural pauses, the breath, the way it handles emphasis.
Oh my God. I actually broke tape. I can't believe I won. Did you see that final kick on the home stretch?
This is a 1.7 billion parameter model doing what used to require a cloud subscription. But here's where it gets wild. Mode 2 is voice design. You don't pick from a list. You describe the voice you want in plain English. You're literally prompting a voice into existence. Want an elderly wizard? A teenage valley girl? A stern military commander? Just describe it. Just like this.
Oh my God. Okay, so you will literally not believe what just happened. I am totally shaking right now. I was walking past the quad and he turned around, looked right at me, and was like, hey, I was so unprepared. Is this real life right now? I am actually obsessed.
And mode 3, voice cloning. This is the one you've been waiting for. Upload 3 seconds of clean audio and Qwen will clone that voice. We're going to do a full demo of this in a few minutes, including cloning a voice from ElevenLabs. But first, let me show you how to get this running on your own machine. Let's get this set up. We're going to use Pinocchio if you haven't heard of it. It's basically a one-click installer for AI apps. Think of it as an app store for open-source AI. Step 1, download and install Pinocchio. Head to pinocchio.co. Download the installer for your OS, Windows, Mac, or Linux. It's a straightforward install. Once it's installed, open Pinocchio. You'll see a clean dashboard. This is where all your AI apps live. Step 2, find Qwen 3 TTS. Now, there are actually 2 versions of Qwen 3 TTS on Pinocchio. The version by Supermassive works on Windows and Linux with an NVIDIA GPU. The Qwen 3 TTS MLX Web UI Enhanced version by Blazane is optimized for Mac Apple Silicon and runs natively on the Mac's GPU using Apple's MLX framework. Search for Qwen 3 TTS in the Discover section. Click Install. Step 3, installation process. Pinocchio handles everything. It clones the repo, installs dependencies, downloads the model weights. This will take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. The model is around 3 to 4 gigabytes. One thing to note if you're on Windows, make sure you have an NVIDIA GPU with at least 6 gigabytes of VRAM. An RTX 3060 or above is ideal. The 0.6B model can squeeze onto 4 gigabytes, but the 1.7B model, which sounds significantly better, wants that extra headroom. Step 4, launch and first generation. Once installed, hit Start. Pinocchio spins up a local server and opens the web UI in your browser. And this is what you get. A clean interface with 3 tabs, voice design for text-described voices, voice clone, and custom voice for presets. Let me generate something real quick.
Hello there. I'm happy you are listening to my voice.
And there it is, running entirely on my machine locally. No subscription. No character counter ticking down. No monthly bill. Alright, this is what I promised. Let's clone a voice from ElevenLabs and run it in Qwen. Free, forever. Open ElevenLabs. Free tier is fine for this. Go to the voice library or use one of the preset voices. Generate a short sentence. Something clean, no background music, around 5 to 10 seconds. Download that audio clip. This is your reference sample.
Once upon a time, there lived a man named Adam. He was very hardworking.
Go to the Voice Clone tab, upload that audio file, type in the text you want it to speak, and listen to this.
Once upon a time, there lived a man named Adam. He was very hardworking.
That voice, which would cost you $22 a month to keep using on ElevenLabs, is now running locally on my machine. Unlimited generations, no character limits. Let's do a direct comparison. Same text, same voice. Is it identical? No. ElevenLabs still has a slight edge in naturalness in the way it handles breaths. But is it 90 to 95% of the way there? Absolutely. And for most use cases, YouTube voiceovers, podcast intros, AI agent voices, content dubbing, this is more than good enough. If this saved you money or opened up a new workflow, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel, and drop a comment about what you think of Qwen 3 TTS. Subscribe if you want more videos on AI tools that actually replace expensive subscriptions. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.